Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to do my Boxycharm unboxing. If you haven't heard of Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription just like Ipsy, Birchbox. It's $21 a month, but the really good thing that I truly enjoy about this is you get 4 to 5 full-size products and it's only $21 a month. I joined back in February of last year. It's amazing. I have products that I still haven't even used. Like, it's such a good box, and majority of my products that I have now I get from Boxycharm. So if you are interested in a monthly subscription box, I will link their page down below. Subscribe to this channel if you would like. Give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. This month's box is, what is it called? Wildflower, and you get a little card and it has all of the products listed and a little bit of description about them and the price on this. So this is really nice, and I like that they send these little things. So I already have my base done, so I was just gonna go in and use the products because I like the try-on style of using the products and actually getting to see how these products work and what you think about them. So the first product I want to use is this Lorac Baked Blush-n-Brighten in Tropical Hues. I swatched this and it's so pretty. Beautiful color. My kind of shade. So I'm going to take this is a crown brush. I don't know what it's called. I got it in a Boxycharm as well. So I'm just going to use that. I don't know how pigmented this is going to be. Ooh, very brightening. I like this. It gives you a nice sheen, but also a really pretty color. Look a little flushed, you know. Who doesn't want to look flushed? In a good way, obviously. This is nice, and it comes with this tiny little mirror in the top. So, nice. I like that. Oh, the brush, how much is this? Let's see. The Baked Blush-n-Brighten is $28. That's expensive because majority of my blushes are from the drugstore. Next thing we got in is the Nightingale eyeshadow palette from Pretty Vulgar. Really pretty packaging. It is a cool tone palette. Beautiful shades. I don't have very many cool tone palettes. I like warm tones and neutrals. So I kind of like that they sent this because I don't ever step out very often with my shades. So this will be exciting. But to go along with that are the Alamar eyeshadow brushes. These brushes are from the company Alamar Cosmetics, and it is created by Gabby. She is the makeup artist for Boxycharm, and I think it's so cool that she puts her products in these boxes. And we actually got her palette a month or two ago, and I love that palette. And so I was super excited to see that they were putting these brushes in there. Actually, I was really hoping they would because I like these brushes and I really wanted them. So it's nice that I got these in a box and I only had paid $21 for it. Let's see. The palette is $35, and the brush set is $18 for 3 brushes, and you get a fluffy blending brush, eyeshadow brush, and a, what do they call this one? This is a flat liner brush. You can use it to help smoke your under eye out with, or you can use it on the top of your eye and blend out shadow for that little fake liner look. I'm going to do a simple look. I'll just speed through this real quick and I'll show you what shadows I use. eyeshadow in place because I have hooded eyelids. It transfers, and this product really helps it not do that. So I really like this. It's not a bad product. I'll try to use it more often because it is cool tone shades and I don't use them very often. These brushes, great brushes. They blend everything out. They're super soft. The eyeshadow brush is so nice. The shimmer shade went on very nicely. I really like these two. Okay, the next product is this Butter London Stroke of Wow roll-on liner. It looks like a pizza cutter. That's the only way I can describe what it looks like. It's so weird. And apparently you're supposed to be able to do an eyeliner with it, but I swatched this and I don't know how you're supposed to be able to do that because the roller on it, like, I don't know, it's really weird. I don't know. I'm not too excited to use this. I don't wear eyeliner very often anyway. I struggle with eyeliner, so I don't think that this roller one is really gonna benefit me in any way. I usually use a felt tip liner or a brush liner, and those work great for me, so we'll see how this goes. Oh, I already messed up. Oh, it's so easy to mess up with this. I don't like it. I feel like I'm slicing my eyelid and I don't like this. This is so hard to use. I don't want to mess this up. Okay, I may just leave that eye the way that it is because I really like this look and I don't want to mess it up with the eyeliner. Let's see if I can do this side. Oh golly. Oh my goodness. No. Oh, this is so hard to use. For me at least. Oh. It just keeps getting thicker and thicker. Nope. I don't like this at all. Eyeliner is not my forte. We can fix this. We can make it work. Maybe. We'll see. Yeah, I don't like this eyeliner. There's no such thing as precision with this. I hate to say that, but like it's so choppy, and this side looks awful because I am left-handed and it did not work for that side of my eye. This one doesn't look as bad, but I really don't see how someone is supposed to be able to wing that out with a pizza cutter applicator. All right, let me see if I can fix these little spots. Oh, and it says that it's supposed to like not smudge. And when I swatched it on my hand, yeah, smudge-proof formula. I could literally like just scrub, like I just scraped it off and the eyeliner was gone. So I don't know how smudge-proof this is. I'm gonna go back in with the shimmer shade that I put on and see if I can fix a couple of these spots. Probably not. Oof. I don't like that. I'm gonna go in with the all-nighter shade, the black in this palette, and see if I can smudge it out with this flatliner brush. Okay, I think I saved it a little bit. Okay, next product is the Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick in Dusty Rose. I swatched this the other day. It's really pretty, but it's very oily. Like, I felt like there was oil everywhere. And it retails for $19. It's a very pretty color. Nice. I like this. It's very pretty color, nice for fall, that hopefully is coming soon because it is so hot here right now. It's very comfortable. It dries down really well. I like it. Very nice. Those are all the products I had for this month's box. I really enjoyed this month's box. The only miss that I had was this eyeliner. I really just did not like it, but I love this eyeshadow palette. The blush was very pretty. It went on very nicely. I like it. I think it looks really nice. The brushes, great. Love those. And the lipstick, it's very nice. I would probably add like a gloss on top of it. Been loving the look of glossy lips here recently, but that's just me. Let me know if there are any products that you saw that you were interested in, and maybe consider subscribing to Boxycharm. It's a great subscription box that I love and will probably continue on to use. So thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next one.